Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin access and a fresh backup. This protects changes. Once backed up, go straight to Plugins, right arrow, add new, and search for Yoast Seo. Install it and hit activate. This injects the plugin into your site. Make sure your WordPress and PHP versions meet Yoast's requirements so features work correctly. After activation, you'll see a new SEO menu. Keep that visible because you'll use it in the next steps. Now run the Yoast configuration wizard to define site type, organization versus person, and connect webmaster tools. This seeds structured data. Once done, go to search appearance and set title and meta templates so pages and posts inherit consistent SEO metadata. Then enable and inspect the XML sitemap in features and submit it to Google Search Console for crawling. Make sure canonical URLs and indexing settings reflect your desired visibility, because incorrect defaults can de-index content. Optimize individual posts using the Yoast meta box. Add a focus key phrase, craft an SEO title and meta description, and follow readability suggestions to improve clicks and comprehension. Use the bulk editor for fast title and meta fixes site-wide, and review social previews and schema output to ensure correct sharing. If things go wrong, clear your caching plugin and CDN, resubmit the sitemap, and check Search Console for crawl errors. These steps fix the most common installation or indexing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.